Okay, let's start with the seventh rule of subject-verb agreement. Okay. Yes, as I told you, singular subject takes singular verb and the plural subject takes plural verb. Okay, now come to the, and I also told another rules related to the subject-verb agreement, like with either or, neither nor, but only, not only, but also you will take singular verb. Okay, but it also depends on the, if there were two subjects, then you will take the verb which is nearest to the subject. Like the cat, either the cat or the dog. Now you will take verb which is nearest according to the subject which is nearest to the verb. Okay, you will take verb. Okay, the cat or the dogs were running. Okay, now I will tell you the next rule. Yes, the seventh rule. Yes, words or phrases expressing periods of time.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, voice is not clear. Yes, board is not clear. Yes, what's the problem? What's the problem, students?
मैम आप क्या करवा रहे हो?
Subject verb agreement. Yesterday, have you taken the class or not? Did you attend the class?
मैम हमारी कनेक्ट मैम नहीं मैम वो हो रही थी हमारी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, I am continuing yesterday topic, subject verb agreement. Okay.
ओके मैम ये बुक में है?
Yes, you can find this topic in any grammar book. Okay. Words or phrases expressing periods of time, fractions, periods of time, fraction, weight. It means measuring quantity. Weight, measurements and
मैम ये कॉपी में भी पढ़ना है?
yes, you have to write in your notebook. Otherwise, I will send you a PDF of rules of subject and PDF. Now you will concentrate on only okay, period, weight, measurement, and amount of money.
मैम आप इसको PDF नहीं भेजोगे?
Yes, I will send to you. Are considered as all these measurements like time, fractions, weights, measurement, and amount of money. All these are considered as singular subjects. Are considered as singular and take a singular verb you know that you will use singular verb with the singular subject. So all these units will take the singular verb and take singular verb. Yes, example. First of all, like $10,000. It's an amount of money, $10,000. Is not a small amount. Is not a small amount. Okay, you can see here dollars. $10,000. It's an amount of money, but you will use as it is mentioned here as dollars, but you will use singular verb with amount of money. क्योंकि ये पूरा एक अमाउंट दिया हुआ है तुम्हें, तो इसके साथ आप क्या यूज करेंगे? सिंगुलर वर्ब. यू विल टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब विद इट. Okay, now come to the next example, like 7 kilometers. Kilometers is a length unit. Kilometers is a unit of length. 7 kilometers is not a long distance. Okay. So don't get confused. If here is S or ES, it would be plural object. It will be singular object. Okay. अगर आपके साथ आपका सब्जेक्ट में ऐसी है ES है तो कंफ्यूज मत होइए कि प्लूरल हो गया है. आप ये पे अपना अटेंशन इस पर ध्यान दीजिए कि ये किस तरीके का सब्जेक्ट है. जैसे यहाँ पर ये क्या, अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड इट्स अ डिस्टेंस, so it would be singular subject. Okay, ये plural नहीं होगा. Now come to the next rule. Yes, when a plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb, when a plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb, the verb agrees with the subject and not the nearest plural. It means like a group of boys. Here you can see that boys is plural, but it's a group of boys, collective noun. It's a group of boys. Then so it refers to a single group. ये किसको रेफर करता है? हमारे एक सिंगल ग्रुप को रेफर करता है. ठीक है, तो आप किसके अकॉर्डिंग इसकी वर्ब लेंगे? अ ग्रुप के अकॉर्डिंग. वाज स्टैंडिंग नियर द hospital. It means I have written the rule when a plural noun comes between a singular subject. Your subject is a group. Okay, and boys is a plural noun. और इसके जब एक plural noun comes between a singular subject and its verb, और verb क्या है इसकी? was. The verb agrees with the सब्जेक्ट. जो वर्ब आपकी जो स्टैंडिंग वर्ब है उसके बीच में जो वर्ब आएगी वो कौन सी आएगी? आपकी सिंगुलर वर्ब आएगी. इट विल टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब बिकॉज इट्स ए ग्रुप ऑफ बॉयज. इट रेफर्स टू ए सिंगल ग्रुप. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन सिंगुलर वर्ब. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट रूल. Now come to the 8th rule, sorry 9th. Yes, when a singular subject is followed by words, when a singular subject is followed by words like is followed by words like as well as by words like as well as along with except in addition to etc. It means you or in addition to etc. Yes, with a noun or a pronoun, with a noun or pronoun, with a noun or pronoun, after it, verb used is in singular form. Okay? Singular in form. I will give you example. Samuel, as well as his brother Matthew, his brother John, has come to visit us, has come to visit us. It means when two subjects are joined with as well as, along with, and in addition to, except, then you will take singular verb. Okay? Samuel as well as, two subjects, his brother John and Samuel, both subjects are joined with as well as. And when two subjects are joined with as well as, we will take singular verb, has come to visit. Okay, I have taken here singular verb, has. When, remember it, when two subjects are joined with and, then you will use plural verb. When two subjects are joined with as well as, except, in addition to, along with, then you will take singular verb. Okay, now come to the next rule. When the noun is in plural in form, but singular in meaning, they take the verb in singular. They take the verb, it takes the verb in singular. Okay, I explain you. Like math. Math is not plural, it's a singular subject. So you will take singular verb like economics, politics, and measles. All these words look plural, but in form. But those all the words are singular in meaning. Okay, all the words are singular in meaning, but they are plural in form. Okay, math is an interesting subject. Math is an interesting subject. I have taken as singular form with plural with singular subject. Math is a singular. Like news. News is also singular. Okay. Politics, economics, statics, all the subjects come in this category. Okay. All the subjects come in this category like economics, physics. Okay. Now come to the last rule. When the nouns appear to be singular. When the nouns appear to be singular. Appear to be singular. In form. It means now it's a vice versa of previous rule. It's a vice versa of previous rule. In previous rule, I told that noun appears to be plural. Okay, in form, but singular in meaning. But now it is vice versa of previous rule when the nouns appear to be singular in form, but plural in meaning. Okay, plural in meaning. They take the verb in plural. They take the verb in plural. They take the verb in plural. It means the police. Police is not a single policeman. The police is a group of policemen. Okay, that's why it is plural in meaning. It singular in form, but it plural in meaning. Okay. The police have caught the criminal or terrorist. Okay. Like people. If you say a group of people, then it is singular subject. A group of people. A group वैसे ऐसा आएगा नहीं, आएगा तो a group of men, a group of girls, a group of boys. ठीक है? Then it will take singular verb. Now it will take plural verb people. People is a group of person. People have no time. No time for self-meditation. Okay. ऑलमोस्ट जो इसमें सारे रूल्स हैं आपके कवर्ड हो गए हैं, जो भी सब्जेक्ट पर एग्रीमेंट से रिलेटेड हैं. चलिए इसकी थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज हम करते हैं. ओके. Rohit as well as Mohit. Rohit as well as Mohit. As well as Mohit. You have to fill a verb here, like or like. Mangoes. Okay, now tell me which verb is will become here, like or likes. Which verb will you fill here? Like or likes? Rohit as well as Mohit like or likes mangoes? Just tell me.
Ma'am, like.
Like
mangoes.
No.
Ma'am, like.
यहाँ पर like नहीं आएगा. I told you when two subjects are joined with as well as, then it will take singular verb. Singular verb कौन सी है? Like or like? Which is singular? Like or likes? Tell me which is singular. You always use like s or es with verb in singular form. I told you in the starting that with s or es it can change into singular verb. Now it is singular verb, so you have to you will use like. In present indefinite tense with the singular subject, which type of verbs you use? Like Rita, you have to Rita cook. So which verb is right here? Cook or cooks? Cooks, because in present indefinite tense, in simple tense we use s or es with singular subject. Okay. Rita cooks food. So here we will use like. Rohit as well as Mohit likes mangoes. Okay, अगर यहाँ पर ये and से connect होता, Rohit and Mohit, तो आप क्या use करते यहाँ पर? आप use करते like. ठीक है, Rohit and Mohit like. अगर यहाँ पर as well as है तो आप क्या use करेंगे? आप यहाँ पर singular verb लेंगे. ठीक है. Now come to the next sentence. Okay, now come to the next sentence. A bouquet of roses. A bouquet of roses is or are beautiful. A bouquet of roses is or are. What will you use here? Is or are? Tell me. Is or are? You have answered wrong. We will not use here rose, are. Just see the subject. A bouquet of roses. Here is only a single bouquet. Okay. There are so many roses in bouquet, but it's a single bouquet. जो बुके आपके पास कैसा है वो सिंगल एक है. a bouquet of roses. जब आपको एक फ्लावर का एक पूरा बुके दिया जाता है तो वो एक होता है. अब उसमें फ्लावर्स तो बहुत सारे होंगे, बहुत सारी लीव्स भी यूज करते हैं, बहुत सारे अदर उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स के आप उसमें फ्लावर्स देख सकते हैं. लेकिन आप बताइए कि अगर आपको एक बुके दिया जा रहा है तो आप उसे सिंगल सब्जेक्ट लेंगे या प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट लेंगे? सिंगल सब्जेक्ट है बेटा, एक ही बुके है. Yes, I know that there are so many roses, but it's a single bouquet. That's why you will use here is. A bouquet of roses is beautiful. Okay, now come to the next example.
ये बात समझा रहे हैं मंतर.
3 miles are a long distance. Is or are? What will you feel here? 3 miles is are a long distance. Give me answer quickly. What will you feel here? Is or are?
are.
Very good. Very good. Very good. जितने भी रूल्स बताए हैं आपने सभी को भूल गए हैं बिल्कुल. मैंने क्या बताया था? 3 miles. It's a unit. It's a unit of length. Kilometers, miles, meters, centimeters. So I had told you that you will use with measuring quantity singular verb. So why have you answered me sorry, R? 3 miles is a long distance. Okay. Now come to the next example. Okay, it's a simple sentence. She dash a picture. Yes, students, please mute yourself. Here you have to fill paint or paints. Paint or paint.
Ma'am, paints.
Ma'am paints.
Ma'am, paints.
Yes, paints आएगा यहाँ पर,
कि मैम ये सिंगुलर है.
क्योंकि आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
is singular subject. Okay, now come to the next example. Okay, next example is oats and ज़्यादा नहीं करवा रही. Okay, the actor along with the director. The actor along with the director. Along with the director. Along with the director. With the director are expected to be here. Are expected to be here. Okay, R is right or wrong? Just tell me. The actor along with the director. R is a right verb. What will you fill here? Is or are? Is or
Ma'am
are?
is. Ma'am,